Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we make tech and gaming super simple. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Clash of Clans using your Gmail. It is quick, easy and you will be back to Raiding Village in no time. Let's dive in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application. Once you are in the game, look for the settings icon. It's the little gear in the down right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Now you'll see an option that says Supercell ID. This is the key to login. Tap on it. Now in this interface you have to tap onto the gear icon. As you can see in the screen that I have already linked my Gmail with Clash of Clans. So I will guide you guys how to link your Gmail with your account. You have to tap onto the login to Supercell ID, then tap on to continue. Here you have to write down your email address and it will guide you through creating an account, and make sure to verify your email address. After entering your Gmail address, follow the prompt. You will receive a 6-digit verification code in your email. Enter the code and you are good to go. And that's it. You are all set to log in into Clash of Clans using Gmail on your iPhone.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.